In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to CC an AOL Mail. By the end, you will know exactly where to click and what to type so your emails reach everyone they need to. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL into the search bar at the top and press enter. On most screens, you will see AOL listed near the top of the results, usually with the familiar blue logo. Take a second to confirm you see the official AOL site name so you know you are heading to the right place and not a random copycat page. Next, click the correct AOL link in the search results and then click Sign In. After the AOL homepage loads, look near the upper right corner for the Sign In button. It usually sits beside options like Help or Settings. Click Sign In once and wait for the Sign In page to appear. You should see a simple login box in the center of the screen. Now provide your email or phone number and password to sign in. Click in the first box and type your AOL email address or the phone number linked to your account. Then move to the password box and type your password carefully, watching the keyboard so you do not hit a wrong key. If you see an error after you click Continue or Sign In, double check that your email address has no extra spaces before or after it. Once it works, your inbox page will load, usually with a list of messages in the center. With that ready, click Mail. Look along the top of the AOL page for the word Mail, often near icons for news or home. When you click Mail, you should land in the main inbox view if you were not already there, with folders like Inbox and Sent on the left side and your messages listed to the right. From there, click the Compose button in the top left corner. It usually appears as a bold button labeled Compose above your list of folders. A new message window will slide open on the right side or pop up over the inbox, showing empty fields for To, Subject, and the main message body. This is where you will add your CC. Now look at the far right side of the To input field. On the new message window, find the To box near the top. Let your eyes move all the way to the right edge of that line. You should see small text options such as CC there. If your window is narrow, that text might be slightly tucked toward a drop-down, so widen the window if you do not see it at first. Next up, click the text that says CC. A new CC line will instantly appear directly below the To line. In that fresh CC row, type the email addresses of the people you want to copy. Separate multiple addresses with commas and make sure each address is spelled correctly, because AOL will send exactly to what you type, even if there is a typo. Once you send the email, everyone in To and in CC will see the same message and see who else received a copy. You have now signed in to AOL Mail, opened a new message, and added people in CC so they receive a visible copy. If this helped you figure out CC and AOL Mail, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple email tips.